welcome. You're watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. The Supreme Court has dismissed the curative petition filed by Nirbhaya rape and murder accused Pawan Gupta. The convict Pawan Gupta is amongst the 4 convicts to be executed on March 3rd. In his plea, Pawan sought his death sentence to be commuted to a life imprisonment sentence. The apex court has refused to stop the hanging as well. As the second phase of the budget session began today, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha has been adjourned till 2 p.m. after an obituary reference to Vidyanath Prasad Mahato, JDU MP from Valmiki Nagar, Bihar, who passed away on 28 February, was made in the Lok Sabha. AAP and TMC MPs protested in front of the Gandhi statue inside the parliament premises over Delhi violence. Congress party gave the adjournment motion notice in the Lok Sabha, and Rahul Gandhi also staged a protest over the issue of Delhi violence. The Supreme Court says no need to refer the petitions challenging the abrogation of Article 370 of the Constitution to a larger bench. A 5-judge constitution bench presided by Justice N.V. Ramana had reserved its order on reference of the case to a larger bench on January 23rd. The central government had scrapped Article 370 in August last year, which ended special provisions accorded to the Jammu and Kashmir and bifurcated it into 2 union territories of Jammu and Kashmir with a legislative assembly and Ladakh without one. After panic gripped certain localities in Delhi on Sunday evening over reports of fresh clashes following last week's violence over the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act, the Delhi police and intelligence agencies are now analyzing calls made to its control room in the last 24 hours to zero in on the mischief makers. The violence in northeast Delhi last week left 46 people dead and hundreds injured. Delhi police has submitted a report on Sunday's events to the Union Home Ministry. In West Delhi alone, as many as 481 panic calls were made to the police control room between 7 p.m. and midnight in a span of just 5 hours. After Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray, now Maharashtra Deputy CM and senior NCP leader Ajit Pawar has said that the new citizenship law and the proposed NRC and NPR will not take away anybody's citizenship and flagged misinformation on the issue, ruling out any need to bring a resolution against the Citizenship Amendment Act and the NPR in the State Legislative Assembly. Days after condemning the communal violence in Delhi, actor-turned-politician Rajinikanth said on Sunday that he was willing to play any role in order to maintain peace in the country. The actor made the comments in a tweet after a few leaders from Muslim outfit called on him at his residence. He wrote in the tweet that I too agree with their comments that the country's prime objective should be love, unity and peace. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.